This Dorian Bennett Sotheby's International Realty property video is presented by Susie McDaniel. Equestrian/Cattleman's dream on 24 rolling acres estate encompasses a magnificent 7 bedrooms, including 3 master suites, open floor plan with professional chef's kitchen, wet bar, media room, office, and 2 fireplaces. The rear of the home features a new cabana, 2-car garage, saltwater pool, fabulous outdoor kitchen, whole house generator, and huge up-to-date barn with 8 stalls with automated water pails, attached air-conditioned hobby workshop, and multiple pastures with automated gate structure. Also includes 2-bed/1-bath guest house. For more information, review the details below.